So let us start with the diagram first. Both the gametes will do, यहाँ पे मेल एंड फीमेल will do collectively, ठीक है? So do the reproductive system. ना आपने नहीं बनानी डॉटेड लाइन, जस्ट आई एम मेकिंग टू मेक द डायग्राम. रोल नंबर 12 बेटे. 2, 7, 14, 15, 19, 23, 40, 41, 30 and 12. So, bete, in the female reproductive system, the main parts are, these are the pairs of ovary. This is one ovary and this is the second ovary. So, in the female reproductive system, the first main part is ovary. Next is oviduct. Oviduct, that is also known as fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. So, if there are two ovaries, there are two fallopian tube or two oviduct. These are the muscles. Okay. This is uterus. You don't have to label it. And this is vagina. This line you haven't to label, but you have to label uterus. That's it. वो भी करेंगे, वो जब समझाऊंगी तब करेंगे. And are present in the abdominal cavity below the kidneys. See? So these two ovaries are present in the abdominal cavity below the kidneys. Got it? Now, what is the function of these ovaries? The function of these ovaries is to produce the egg or the ovum. See? So many eggs, अगर plural है, or ova. When you will say as a singular, then it is ovum. See? So what is the function of the ovary? Is to produce ova. I'll not repeat. If you want to write, you can write. See? I'll not repeat again. But the function of the ovary is to produce ova, or you can say the egg. Okay? अब ओवा या एग तो प्रोड्यूस करते करते हैं, उसके अलावा इट प्रोड्यूस हॉर्मोन्स. So these ovaries produce hormones also. The hormones are two. One is estrogen. The spelling of the estrogen starts from the O, but the pronunciation is estrogen. See? One hormone that it secretes is estrogen, and other hormone that it secretes is progesterone. Progesterone. Ovum. These are the hormones that the ovaries secrete. The two hormones that the ovaries secrete is estrogen and progesterone. See? So there are two ovaries in the female reproductive system. See? The function of this ovary is to produce eggs or ova. जो मैंने करे आप देख लो, मैं एक बार समझा रही हूँ साथ साथ. And now no one will say anything. Just listen and understand. तभी एक बार समझाया जा रहा है. ठीक है? Now there are two ovaries. The function of the ovaries and where they are present in the abdominal cavity below the kidneys. Okay? the function of the ovaries is to produce the ova or the eggs. And beside the ova or the eggs, it produces two type of hormones. One is estrogen and other is progesterone. Got it? Now, next is beta fallopian tube. You can see here, there is a fallopian tube or oviduct. So like there are a pair of ovaries. So there are a pair of fallopian duct or a oviduct or fallopian tubes. Okay? Now, see here, they are very thin and they are coiled. घूमी हुई है, सीधी सीधी नहीं है. They are thin and they are very much coiled and they are muscular. They have muscles. See, they are musculars. Got it? So these are thin, they are coiled and muscular. More about this tube open in a funnel shape. See the shape? Opening है यहाँ पे. जहाँ पे ovaries में open कर रही हैं, the opening is funnel shape. Got it? And what the tubes are doing? The two tubes are joining ovary and uterus. Okay? So there are pair of the oviduct or fallopian tubes as there is a pair of ovaries. And these fallopian tube, you can see, they are coiled. They are thin and coiled and they are muscular. See, the openings of the fallopian tube in the ovary is a funnel shape. जैसे funnel होती है, these are funnel shape. And what they do, they connect ovary to the uterus. Very important, very, very important. When eggs is released from the ovary and it reaches to the fallopian tube, then the fertilization of the egg occur in the fallopian tube. This comes as MCQ. Where is the fertilization of egg occurs? So the fertilization of the egg occur in the fallopian tube. Of egg occur in the fallopian tube. Now you can see after ovary, then oviduct, then uterus is there. This is a bag-like organ. This is a bag-like organ, and the main growth and development of the zygote into the baby take place in this uterus. Okay? Main development, fertilization will occur in this, and then development and the growth will occur in the uterus. Okay? So you should know, bete, when the fertilization occur, the first cell is known as zygote. So zygote formation will occur here only because egg will fertilize here only. Then the zygote will develop, okay, and grow in this uterus. Got it? Of the zygote into the body take place into the uterus. See? Now this uterus open into the wide muscular tube. This is wide muscular tube known as vagina. See? This uterus open into the wide muscular tube known as vagina. Okay? Between the vagina, this part, label this part also. This part. This is known as cervix. This is the long narrow end. This is the end of the uterus, which which become a canal between uterus and vagina. हाँ, ठीक है. So it is a long narrow end of the uterus. Cervix is a long narrow end of the uterus that form canal between uterus and vagina. So what all about? And these, now these lines are left. These are known as ovarian ligaments. These lines, label it as ovarian ligaments. These are ovarian ligaments. By these ligaments, ovaries are connected to uterus. You can see here. The ovaries are connected to the uterus. So again, I am repeating the whole reproductive system of the female. You can see here there are two pairs of ovaries. So they are present in the abdominal cavity below the kidneys. Okay. So what is the function of the ovaries? To produce eggs. And this is also very important, bete. The egg is released or produced alternatively from every ovary in each month. Okay? If 1 month the left ovary is producing egg, in the other month right ovary will produce egg. And in each month there is production of 1 egg. Got it? Got it? So if in 1 month this ovary will release egg, in the next month this ovary will release egg. One by one. Okay? So now this ovary and there is single egg. Sperms are so many. But egg will release only one. Got it? Sperm बहुत सारे release होते थे, but egg will be released only one. Now, after इसके साथ what will be released? There are two hormones. One is estrogen and other is progesterone. Now this egg moved to the fallopian tube. Now these fallopian tubes are also two. They are long, coiled and muscular, and they open into the ovaries with a funnel shaped opening. See? Now the fertilization of the egg take place in this fallopian tube. And the zygote is formed. Now it will move towards the uterus. The uterus is a bag-like structure, where growth and development of the zygote take place. And it will become a baby. Now, this uterus opens into the vagina. That is a tube. And between the vagina and the uterus, there is an opening called as cervix. It acts as a canal between uterus and vagina. So got the point? And these ovarian ligaments, these are the ligament muscles actually, which connect ovary to the uterus. Any doubt? So we have covered with a ovarian ligament just connect ovary to the uterus. ऐसे ग्लैंड वो हार्मोन्स क्रिएट कर देती है ओवरी. These are the walls. अब यूटरस की वॉल थिक होती है ना बेटे. हाँ बेटे वजाइना यूटरस ओपन इनटू द वजाइना. ठीक है. इसके बीच में सर्विक्स है which act as a canal between uterus and vagina. तो vagina जो है, this is the, you can say the muscular tube. It is a tube-like structure. It is a muscular tube Uterus open into the wide muscular tube. Ovum singular. Yeah. Ovary ligaments. Fibrous cord. These are the fibrous cords. Bell is over. थोड़ी सी नहीं है आपकी, ये ज्यादा खुल रहा है, मैंने घूमा हुआ नहीं है ध्यान से, इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे लेके आओ. Just check the recording and then you can make again practice it. Done.